Afraid of losing your job to artificial intelligence? Come with me to get a reality check now.
With major workforce transformations happening across the world, the question surely rises if AI will really take away our jobs. But we are forgetting another reality. Some of the world's most advanced AI companies are actively hiring writers, trainers, researchers, content specialists, and human reviewers. That is because the future of work is not about human versus AI. It is actually about humans and AI working together. We are already seeing AI enter one of the most human-centric business functions, recruitment. Today, AI can screen resumes, schedule interviews, assess communication patterns, and even conduct preliminary video interviews without a human recruiter being present. And these are clear advantages. AI can significantly reduce hiring timelines, improve consistency in evaluations, and help organizations process thousands of applications at scale. However, there are important limitations as well. Hiring is ultimately about people. A candidate's potential, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and cultural fit cannot always be captured by just an algorithm. Moreover, AI is only as good as the data it learns from. If the underlying data contains bias or flawed assumptions, AI can unintentionally carry those biases forward. And that's where human judgment remains essential, not in just hiring, but in every critical business decision.
As a recruitment and staffing organization, we are witnessing this firsthand.
The nature of work is changing, but the value of human capability is not diminishing. In fact, it is becoming even more important by the day. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, analytical thinking, creativity, resilience, leadership, and lifelong learning are among the most sought-after skills for the future workforce. Do you know why? Because AI can process information, generate content, identify patterns, but it cannot truly understand human emotions, build trust, inspire teams, navigate complex relationships, or even exercise judgment in the way people and human minds do. The most successful organizations of the future will not be those that simply automate most jobs. They will be those that create the strongest partnership between technology and talent.
In recruitment, we often say that skills may get candidates shortlisted, but human qualities build careers. AI can enhance productivity, but people drive innovation, culture, and purpose.
The question is no longer whether AI will change the workplace, because it already has. The real question is, how effectively can we combine the power of artificial intelligence with the potential of human intelligence? This is where the future belongs.